English Reading Practice, Exercise 42, Presentation Skills Course, Part 20 of 28. This is the intermediate level. Be sure to watch the introductory video to learn how to use synchronized reading. See the link in the description below. So turn up the volume, read at the same time as me. Let's begin. How to use a before and after pause. A pause refers to a temporary stop or break in action, speech, or movement. Have you ever been in a room with the soft sound of an air conditioner running in the background? Your ears get attuned to it, and your thinking processes continue without even being aware of the background noise. Then someone switches it off. Immediately, your attention is focused on the absence of background noise. Public speakers can use this to good effect. Listeners can get used to hearing your voice. But when you pause for a few seconds and they don't hear the sound of your voice, their attention is immediately intensified. How can you utilize this increased attention and awareness? By using pauses at well-timed intervals before you say something important, or after you say keywords or phrases you want the audience to remember. In some cases, a pause before and after is even more effective. The before pause. Pausing before you say a key point arouses anticipation. If you raise the intonation of your voice just before the pause, it creates even more anticipation. Example: what enabled Abraham Lincoln to become President of the United States despite countless setbacks? Count 1, 2, 3. Persistence. Imagine saying the above quotation without a pause. The impact is lost. The pause makes the word persistence stand out, especially if it is spoken with emphasis and increased volume. The after pause. Using a pause after a shocking statement or surprising fact likewise increases the impact. You need to allow the audience time for the statement or statistic to sink in. That's why pausing is an important communication skill. Regretfully, some speakers have excellent material and surprising facts and information, but fail to capitalize on the power of the information by saying it and then carrying straight on with their next point. No, stop, pause, wait a few seconds. Let the audience digest what you just said. Then come back on it and repeat it to make it even more memorable. Example: According to the United Nations, do you know how many children die each day through hunger and malnutrition? 18,000. Count. 1, 2, 3. 18,000. The before and after pause. In some cases, using a pause before the key word or phrase and a pause immediately after it adds even more emphasis. So, using the same example above, if you really wanted the gravity of malnutrition to hit home, you could say it like this. According to the United Nations, do you know how many children die each day through hunger and malnutrition? Count. 1, 2, 3. 18,000. Count. 1, 2, 3. 18,000. Spoken loudly and slowly, with even greater volume and emphasis. Final words. Pausing is a key communication skill. Use the power of silence just for a few seconds to create anticipation, impact, and emphasis for the key points of your presentation. The human mind focuses when there is a sudden, abrupt change in noise or sound level. As you develop your public speaking ability, mark your notes and look for places where you can strategically use the before and after pause for great effect. Next, how to use pausing for maximum effect. Well, that's the end of the reading. Some final reminders. Be sure to check the resources in the description below. And when you're ready, go to the next video in the Presentation Skills series. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all.